Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. First, you'll need to install the browser extension from your preferred browser store. Once installed, navigate to any record page in Salesforce. You'll see a small arrow icon on the right side of your screen. Clicking this icon opens the Inspector panel, giving you immediate access to all the record's data, including fields not visible on the page layout. It's a powerful tool for quick data review. Once the Inspector panel is open, you'll see a comprehensive list of all fields associated with that record. This includes standard and custom fields, along with their API names and current values. It's incredibly useful for debugging or understanding data structures. You can easily sort the fields or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific field, saving you valuable time navigating through complex record details. Beyond just viewing data, Salesforce Inspector Reloaded allows you to directly edit field values. Simply click on a field's value in the panel, make your changes, and save. You can also create new records for any object, which is fantastic for testing or quick data entry. For more advanced tasks, it supports mass updates, letting you modify multiple records at once, significantly boosting your productivity. This tool also offers advanced functionalities like exporting record data to CSV or Excel, which is perfect for reporting or analysis. You can also easily navigate and explore related lists, seeing all associated records without leaving the current page. It truly streamlines your Salesforce experience. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're worth every penny.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.